guys, another unboxing video today. Yes, I know it's so big. I don't remember I don't remember that I was gonna receive this box. I still don't know what brand or what platform I used that they sent me this. I don't know how they got my address. I don't remember applying for this PR maybe months ago, and they barely accepted me. That's so weird because I don't remember. I looked at my emails, at my Instagram DMs, I can't find anything. So maybe it is really old from months back. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing still. So I'm gonna show y'all right now. Okay, now that I think that I remember, I filled out a form from their brand, and I probably asked for you to put your information, like your address, and I just didn't remember. So yeah, probably like a month or more. So yeah, never mind. I was getting a little freaked out because I don't remember anything about this brand. Anyway, so I've never tried this brand, so it's pretty exciting. It looks like this. This is their brow collection, and it's gonna be available at the 26th on their website or Sephora. So, and that's so cool. Okay, I think this is my first big PR package. Yeah, my first big PR package. What I mean by that is big, not only literally it's big, a big box, but that is really all their shades, all their products. Usually they just send you one or two products for you to choose, but no, this is, oops, it fell. And it's literally the whole collection. Look, it's so big. Let me grab the thing that fell. I think it's a mascara. It was a surprise, a mystery, because they didn't even send me a tracking information, an email confirming that I've been accepted like normally I do with other brands. So that's interesting and new to me. So if y'all apply for their PR, just know that they're not gonna tell you. They're just gonna come at you like this, and you're just gonna be like, wow, I just received this magical free package. So yeah, just in case y'all are interested in trying their PR or anything. I think I still may have the form that I used where I filled out my information to receive this. I'm not sure. So yeah. So I'm just gonna stop talking. So let me try that close up. It's hard because, okay, there. Oh, you can see the ring light. Okay, there. So, wow. This is their, right here. Let me read the card. Is their Shape Up Soft Fill Brow Pencil. Alright. And it's $21. So, okay, so it tells you all the details of the shape of everything, and it says it helps define shape and shade your brows. So it has silica and natural pigments to provide a silky color delivery that provides rich payoff that lasts all day. Alright, so I love stuff that lasts all day, so that's pretty cool. So alright, that it's soft and hard waxes create the perfect light and skin adhesion. Or yeah, because I'm trying to get my brows to stick all day, you know. I'm not trying to get these to come off easily. So, and then it comes with a built-in spoolie, which is amazing because it's a 2-in-1 product. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades. There's blondie, oak, teddy bear, pecan, and cacao. So I'm pretty sure I'm a pecan or a cacao. It's the 2 darkest shades. So I don't know which one. So I'm just gonna open both and try to figure out which one is my shade. So, oops, this one keeps falling. Oh my god. So I'm gonna grab pecan. It's hard. Let me open this. Okay, this is how the colors look. They look very similar, but one's darker, obviously. I can't tell which one's mine. I don't want to swatch it because I'm trying to do a video dedicated reel for this, and I forgot that I'm supposed to do this first before applying the acne patch. So I don't want my video to come out looking like this with a acne patch. So, and I forgot to test out the eye gels before this too, so I'm not going to be able to film today. So this is plainly, well, today is just unboxing. I'm not gonna try anything because I forgot to do this after doing all that, but so this, I'm just still gonna show you how it looks. So let me close it. So this is the other side, and it comes with these spoolies, pretty big. There's some that are very tiny, so if that's something you like, so try and get this one. This is, oh, this is made in Korea. That's cool. I didn't think it was from there. So I don't know if this brand is from Korea as well, or just, no, it's probably just where they made it at. Okay, so it looks very sleek and nice. So yeah, I don't have an excuse anymore to not do makeup appointments. I already have a few brow products. I have a variety of foundation shades. So please, if you're interested and you want me to do your makeup for free, let me know on the comments, email, Instagram, everywhere. Because I'm trying to, find people to practice with and do makeup looks. Because I really am trying to do this. So. But yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna unbox the Hold Up Soft Set Creamy Brow Wax, and it's also $21, and it comes with 2 shades, the light medium and medium dark. So I'm pretty sure I'm medium dark. So this is how it looks. It's pretty sleek. Oh, it looks bended. Okay, that's interesting. It looks folded. Okay. But yeah, it's pretty sleek. It's very nice. Luxurious feeling. Okay, look, it's tiny. It's nice. It looks pigmented. It looks like it's gonna last you all a year or two. Look. It comes, well, maybe not, because it's like half of the product is there, because this is, well, maybe there's still a lot, but it just looks like bended or used, but it's not. I don't know. But yeah, it's just pretty cool. So okay, so the last thing is there, the One and Done Long Wear Volumizing Mascara, and this one costs more. It's $25. So it's pretty thick, and it feels plastic, but a kind of hard, and it's luxurious looking. It looks, you see that detail? It looks, I remember there were bags with this print. I don't know where I've seen this. It looks familiar, but I don't know. Oh, it looks like a fingerprint when I move it. There's like 2 fingerprints here. The rest doesn't have it, but that's pretty cool. Okay. So, and you shouldn't supposed to open your mascara one unless you're gonna use it, because then it's gonna be clumpy and it's all the air, and it's just, well, that's what I hear. So, but I'm still gonna open it for you because y'all are cool. Okay, so look. Oh, it's pretty thick, and it looks pigmented. Like it's gonna make a difference, because there's spikes, and I've never seen a mascara that has spikes. Look, these little spikes. This is pretty cool. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna work, because this is so new to me. I'm not used to these types of mascara. Wow, that's cool. So I'm excited. I think that I'm excited the most for this because this is new. I've never seen this. And the brow, and then the brow wax, because I don't use brow wax, brow gel. I just use brow pencil, and that's it. But that's pretty cool. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna end it here. So yeah, I'm gonna do a video some other day using it. But yeah, okay, thanks for watching. Bye. And I always keep forgetting to thank the brand that sends me PR. So thank you, Lawless Beauty, for this opportunity. I'm so excited to try this. Okay, now I'm gonna end it. Okay, bye.